the cheapest veg thali that you can find here in the street of Kolkata, right guys? This is how it is. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, today I'm gonna show you the cheapest street lunch that you can get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So let's go explore the shop. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go guys. Guys, it will take me another 10 minutes to reach. Let's go guys. Right guys, so here we are. Just look at this crazy crowd, right? Well, here this brother sells the cheapest street lunch that you can probably find here in the street of Kolkata, right? Here we are guys, look. Now he has 10, 11 different kinds of curries, right? Look guys, I'm gonna tell you the names, but you just have a look guys. So 11 different type of veg curries, right? And he gives bread, kulcha, rice, so this is how it is. Look guys.
एक मटर पनीर दीजिए, दो कुलचा दीजिए।
Hello brother, how are you? You're fine, okay.
ये मटर पनीर है,
हाफ मटर
Look,
पनीर
guys.
दीजिए। हाँ
तंदूरी।
And just look at the crowd, Right now the time is about, 1:30 in the afternoon, and people love the food that this brother sells here, right? It's only pure veg. The cheapest veg thali that you can find here in the street of Kolkata, right guys? This is how it is. And I'm gonna tell you the address in a moment. So if you wanna come and try this, you can come and find this brother here, that brother there. What's up, dude? You're fine? Cool. Look guys. Now that brother is making, that kulcha. I'm gonna show you. Let's go guys. Now this is the menu, right? Look guys. So everything you buy, it's under 30 and 40, that is like few cents. You can see that on the screen. So that's how it is guys. Look. Now this is the masala kulcha. So basically they have this dough, right? So they put all different ingredients inside this dough, and they make that into a ball, and he rolls that, right? And he bakes that in that hot piping tube there, right? Look guys, it's called the tandoor, and this is the masala kulcha. And he applies the butter, right? So the bread does, like, once you eat the bread, you don't find it too dry. So that's how it is. And it's so cool. He has the pizza cutter, right? Look guys. And right now guys, in Kolkata it's super hot, right? It's almost like 40 degrees. And just imagine this brother standing right next to that hot piping tube. It's called the tandoor, I guess, right? And he's baking the bread. Salute to this hardworking brother, So look guys. And as I said, right now the time is about 1:30 in the afternoon, so it's very hot, and that's how it is guys. So you see this pots here, right? They displayed that here, right? So brother, you tell me the names, okay? Now what is this, please?
पनीर मखानी,
Okay guys, this one is the paneer makhani.
चिली बेबी कॉर्न पनीर.
This is chili baby corn paneer. And
Come inside. You see this one?
okay guys, I'm gonna show you the big pots of curry so you can have a better look.
This is the palak paneer.
This is the palak paneer. Palak is the spinach, right? and with cottage cheese. This is the cottage cheese makhani, right? So they make this with some sort of a cream, and this is the chili baby corn.
मटर पनीर
This is the matar paneer. Matar is the peas, and the cottage cheese they cook with Indian spice, right?
चना
cheapest price 40 rupees.
And that's the baby corn and the kulcha. Yeah. So what do we have here?
मटर पनीर
This is the matar paneer.
चन मिक्स पनीर
This is the mixed paneer. Paneer is the cottage cheese, guys. Remember. So that's how it is. Sorry. And brother, if anybody wants to try this beautiful dish that you serve, where do they have to come, brother? आप तो एड्रेस बता दीजिए.
Benting Street, Orient Cinema.
नहीं आपका face like we can't see him, right? Because of the light. Now I think we can see him. What's up, dude? So you tell me the address.
Benting Street,
Okay.
29C Benting Street.
Guys, you heard it. If you want to try this delicious, veg food, if you are a lover of veg, you can definitely come and visit this brothers here, right? And try this delicious food. That's how it is, guys. Right, guys, so that was me, your friend John, trying to show you the cheapest veg thali that you can get here on the street of Kolkata, right? I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace, and yeah, keep smiling, be happy. Brother, thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Bye, take care. See you guys soon. Take care.